Hi dear students, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to discussing about the topic structure of atom. What structure of atom? I think so you already know about the word atom. What is atom? We already discussed about this atom, chapter number 1, matter. What is atom? Yes, atom, that's a what tiniest particle, that is building block of all matter. Tiniest particle of a matter, that you know it. So this atom is what? An atom is a particle of matter that uniquely what defines a chemical element. Okay, that is what atom. We know about in our Indian philosophers all kinds of materials that's made by five Buddhas. You know that what are the five Buddhas? Akash, Vayu, Chiti, Up, Tejas. Yes. After that, in our great Indian scientist Rishi Kanada, he said about what all the matter is made up of. That is, all padarthas is made up of what? Atom. Anu. Okay, atom means what? Anu. After that, in our John Dalton, he explained about what this structure of atom, and he said, atom we are not able to what? Divisible. Okay, atom we are not able to divisible. After 20th century, what some questions are raising about this atom, and few more scientists they discussed about this atomic structure. Okay, then they said what atom also having the fundamental elements or subatomic particles. So what are the subatomic particles of an atom? See, the subatomic particles are there. That's what electron, proton, neutron. Okay, so these three are the what subatomic particles of an atom. Okay, so these electrons that's carrying what the negative charge. These all are having what charges. Okay, this electron carrying negative charge, proton that's carrying positive charge, but this neutron that don't have any charge, that is neutral. That is what? Neutral. There is no charge. Okay, clear? Now, the first subatomic particle of an atom, that is electron. The first subatomic particle of an atom, that is what? Electron. And the second subatomic particle, that is proton. And the third subatomic particle, that is neutron. Okay. And we know that the structure of atom, we already know about the structure of atom. We can see that the one center core, after there is a one orbit, one or more than one orbit you can able to see in the structure of atom. So the center core of atom that we call as what? Nucleus. What is it? Nucleus. Okay, the central core of an atom that we call as what? Nucleus. Okay, actually the nucleus includes what? Proton and neutron. What? Proton and neutron. Because the proton and neutron, the neutron they don't have any charge. Okay, but the proton that's having a positive charge. That's having positive charge. But this neutron mass that is equal to the mass of proton. Neutron mass that is equal to the mass of proton. So these have more mass. So this will be only where the center of the core of an atom. So that's we call as what? Nucleus. These having more attractive force. These two having what? More attractive force. Okay. So that's really center, which means the core, nucleus. Is it clear? Okay. And electron, well, we can able to see this electron. Actually, these electrons, this makes one cloud around the nucleus. Okay, the electrons that makes one cloud around the nucleus. Okay, so here we can able to see what the electrons. Okay, these electrons that's always revolving around the nucleus. Okay, clear? Yes, and this electron and proton, these also have unit of charge. Electron having what? -1 unit of charge, and this proton that's having what? +1 unit of charge. So this minus 1 unit of charge and the positive 1 unit of charge, these almost, that means equal and opposite charges. These what? Equal and opposite charges. Okay, is it clear? So this is only the structure of atom. So the atomic structure shells. You know that is what shells are the shells. Okay, different orbits are there. That actually this atomic structure, no, this is just becomes like a what? The nucleus. Just think about the nucleus, that's our sun, and all the planets, that's our electrons. You know that these planets that revolve around the sun, no, like that only in our atomic structure. Okay, so this we call as what? Planetary mode of the atoms. Okay, so here guys, you want to know about the orbit, that means orbit names. You know that K, L, M, N, O, these are the orbit names. Okay, K shell. Okay, orbit or shell we can say. K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell and O shell. K shell can accommodate 2 electrons. K shell can accommodate 2 electrons. And L shell can accommodate 8 electrons. M shell can accommodate for 18 electrons. Okay, and N shell can accommodate 32 electrons and O shell can accommodate 50 electrons. Okay, so for example, so see here, for example, sodium. Sodium, what's the atomic number of sodium? 11. Okay, atomic number of sodium, that is 11. So you know that the center core, that's always what? It's a nucleus, that is. Okay, and first shell, which means K shell. K shell, that we are accommodating how many electrons? 2 electrons. These have the capacity only 2 electrons. And second shell. Second shell that has the capacity 8 electrons. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now that's 8 plus 2, 10. And 1 more electrons, that's we will be accommodating the which shell? M shell. Here, that's 1. Okay, like this, like we are arranging the electrons, that means arranging subatomic particles in an atom. Did you understand this topic? Once again, atom, that is the very tiniest particle of a matter. Okay, actually it's a building block of an or matter, that knows it. And this atom, that we can able to divide it, that means a divisible. So subatomic particles are there. What are the subatomic particles? Yes, electron, proton and neutron. What's the charge of electron? Electron charge, that is negative charge. Okay, and what's the charge of proton? Proton charge is, yes, that is positive. And neutron, that's charge, there is no charge but its mass, that is equal to the proton. Okay, so these both will be, that means proton and neutron, that will be in a way center of the atom, that means its nucleus. It's called as what? Nucleus. Okay, and all other electrons that will be revolved around the nucleus. Okay, actually this proton and electrons, that's what atomic number, that becomes equal. Okay, I hope all of you understand this topic. Thank you.